Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Stanley. This is their part number R313242, or 313242. This is a rebuilt 313242 motor, and this is what that rebuilt looks like. This item will generally carry with it a option to return the old one for a substantial core refund. And this video is really just to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Your low voltage leads that are here, your gear that's on the end here. No, gears are not available as separate standalone items. That's a fairly common question that exists, and they are not available on their own. So, a couple of dimensional properties. By the way, the weight is 2.69 pounds. Overall height of the body looks like it's about 4 3/8. Overall diameter of the body, if we're going to estimate that here, about 2 5/8. Okay. And this video is really just to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item, letting you see what this actually looks like, and here it is. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Stanley products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to all the Stanley products that we sell and their catalog, is what I wanted to say. Other encyclopedic documents are there, like owner's manuals, wiring diagrams, anything of importance when it comes to Stanley automatics. That's the page that we will have that information available on. Below this video also are a series of images of the actual item as well. Any questions on the Stanley R313242 rebuilt motor or any other Stanley product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.